Yes, goal setting itself leads to motivation because you try to know different aspects, let's say that. Intelligent stage, design stage, choice stage. So you realize also the reality of problems. So many a time, let's say, you may not be aware about different aspects of the problems. Or let's say that goals itself. Like say $5 trillion dollar economy. So you may not have knowledge about this, understanding about this. But when you start getting information, knowledge, so it gives you confidence also. You come to know that the goal that you are setting is pragmatic or it is a right goal. So that will enhance also a bit of goal commitment. So this way it can work as motivation. No, it's a process theory. It's a process, not content. Because it explains the process of motivation. Goal, whether it is objective, it is not objective, it is in you, it is that process. It is linked to your knowledge, it is linked to your level of information. This. It is not something it is given by the organization. Means it is not something called job content. Right? Like say attainability is as per your human potential. Whether you think it is attainable or not, perception. So that's why it is a process rather than it is content. So motivation theories we finished. So what you understand? What you get understanding on motivation? Process and content of motivation. Right. Being right. Both are same, right?
There is also terms like overexcitement and
Yes, so there can be overreaction, overexcitement, over motivation. Yes.
so there can be over motivation which
Yes, it can be overconfidence. Right. No, over motivation may result into getting easily burnt out. That you can say this. So overexcitement, motivation, it is called excess. Let's say that anything. Let's say that you get in excess, like over motivated. So first time writing mains. Right. First time writing mains, first prelims qualified, first time mains. So some people maybe depends on how socialization socialization has happened. Some people can be rational, well managed. Some people can be highly emotional. अब highly emotional में क्या होगा? Highly emotional means over, let's say that जाओ. तो you become over, let's say that की confident. And then लिखना था 300, लिख दिया 400. पेपर ही नहीं कंप्लीट होगा. और इमोशंस में, एथिक्स में क्या लिखते हैं लोग? डेलिबरेटली एवरीथिंग इज एथिकल. नो, सारा आंसर, ऑल आंसर्स आर सेम. क्योंकि हर जगह लिख रहा है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अकाउंटेबिलिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी, एथिक्स, इंटीग्रिटी, ऑनेस्टी. इजंट इट? मोटिवेशन. There can be, let's say that both are same. There can be excess of motivation, there can be under motivation, there can be controlled motivation, regulated motivation. That is what equity we were saying, equilibrium state. Equilibrium state is a regulated state of motivation. Right? Neither more nor less. So well composed person, who is well composed, he has composure. सुना होगा आपने ना, राहुल द्रविड़. Right. So the wall, this is one composed person. He has composure. This, but some players can be overexcited. Then what happens? You know what happens? overexcited. So you know what happened, easily they get out. This. So how he maintains that composure, it is regulated. You regulate your motivations. Yes. You should regulate your motivations. Don't become overexcited. So one day study whole night, then next 4-5 days do not study. होता है ऐसा? ऐसा नहीं होता. No, isn't it? Right. One day, like, study like anything. Next 2-3 days, there is no motivation. Right. So that is erratic. It is erraticness. That is how you try to improve your behavior, regulate your emotions, etc. Like. But since it is a theory, we have to talk in organizational context. So we cannot teach you emotional intelligence and relation between emotional intelligence and motivation. Because you have to teach in a organizational context related to productivity, organization, management. But yes, there is emotional aspect and we try to regulate our motivations through emotional intelligence.